In this video, I'm going to teach you how to recharge Lycamobile Online. It's a very quick and easy process, so make sure to follow along. Recharging your Lycamobile SIM card is a process that you can do easily online through their website. So all that you have to do is to go to www.lycamobile.us through a web browser on your computer or your phone. Keep in mind that if you aren't in the US, just select the appropriate region for your Lycamobile SIM. When you arrive at this page, all that you have to do to actually top up and recharge your Lycamobile Online is to click this option at the top, Quick Recharge. Usually, any website for Lycamobile, regardless of the region, will have the option to recharge on the menu or at the top. When you click this option, you have to input your Lycamobile number. As long as it is verified, you will be able to input, it is going to get detected, and now you can proceed to top it up and recharge. If you haven't verified your number already, you also have the option to click here and you can use any of your saved cards. As you can see, the first thing that you have to select is Top Up International Credit. You can choose between these amounts on the Lycamobile US online website: $10, $20, $50, and $100. You can also choose between a variety of plans that they offer. You have 30-day plans, long-term plans, family plans, and data plans. I'm just going to switch between them so you have an idea of what they have to offer. I recommend that you take your time, you browse through all of these, and if you wish, just go ahead and choose a plan that is best suited for you. I'm just going to select this one as an example, but they have different in prices and a lot of things. You also have some restrictions, so as you can see, I tried to add this one, but it gave me a warning. I'm just going to switch it over here. Confirm the duration, and it still give me the warning, but we are good to go regardless. You can then choose the payment method. Usually it is going to be debit or credit card, and you will have to include your contact information and the card details over here. As you saw previously, you can just save this information, so anytime you need to top up, you don't have to go through this process again. At the bottom, you can see the summary, any possible fees, and if you agree to the terms and conditions, you can just go ahead and confirm and pay. Unfortunately, I do not have a card at hand, so I'm just going to skip this step, but keep in mind that this is all you have to do. Click confirm and pay, and your new plan or recharge is going to be active immediately. I hope I was able to help you on how to recharge Lycamobile Online. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more quick and easy tips. Thank you for watching.